I was so nervous about starting secondary school, especially as my best friends go to a different school to me. I really miss them, but at least we can keep in touch on the group chat. But I'm in so many group chats now, though, it's hard to keep up with them all. People expect you to reply straight away. My mum says I'm in too many and I'm often up late replying to messages.
Now press pause to discuss these questions. Once you've finished, press play to continue. Group chats are a quick, fun and easy way to connect with different people. Sehrish is using them to keep in touch with the friends she misses from primary school. She has also joined chats with lots of people at her new school, and some of these could have lots of people in them. Sehrish is feeling under pressure, so she could talk to her friends and explain that she is not being rude if she doesn't reply straight away. If she is receiving lots of messages, then others are probably feeling the same way too. Together, they might realise that it is becoming a bit much and decide not to send messages after a certain time to make sure it doesn't disrupt their sleep. Good friends will understand. Sehrish's mum could help her to choose groups that she could leave, like ones that she doesn't get involved in or that are not being used. Sehrish and her mum could use settings to help the situation too. Settings on phones and apps allow you to do things like turn off notifications, set time limits, and stop people adding you to new chats without your permission. There could also be an agreement at home that everyone keeps their devices downstairs to protect their sleep. It might involve buying alarm clocks though. Here are our top tips for young people. Number 1, talk to your friends. If you feel under pressure, then the chats are not what they should be, fun and useful. Talk about how you feel and your friends should understand. Number 2, use the settings to help you. Settings can help you manage things like notifications and reduce the pressure to reply. Number 3, ask for help. Always let a trusted adult know if it is getting too much or if something upsets or worries you.